Bonjour à tous.
Bonjour Étienne, comment ça va? Vous allez bien?
Bien, bien.
Bon, Gilbert, t'as encore pris des couleurs. Je te jure, de jour en jour, tu prends des couleurs.
Et je le fais exprès, je m'expose au soleil derrière la vitre. Bon, ça ne m'a pas empêché quand même de choper une sorte de rhume ou un
Allez.
truc comme ça. J'ai la voix un peu plus grave aujourd'hui.
Il y a une épidémie en France tout entière, hein, on le sait tous. Toute la France est touchée. Voilà. Personne n'a été épargné, je crois, mais bon, voilà. Mais c'est bien, oui. Je pense que pour le moral aussi et pour le bienfait du corps, hein, avoir du soleil, c'est vital. Hein, c'est vital. Ouais.
Bon, j'ai bien avancé sur le studio à Nice. Il est prêt pour quand vous voulez venir. Il y a même la barre là-bas pour pouvoir s'entraîner et faire des pull-ups. Et le lit, avant c'était un lit gonflable, maintenant c'est un vrai lit avec sommier. Et puis il y a le coffre, ah oui, Engine va être content. J'ai même un ordinateur, c'est le même qu'ils ont à la mairie de Nice. Il se relève et je l'ai acheté sur les trucs d'occasion. Sur les magasins cash converteur ou l'équivalent.
Oui, c'est super, ouais, c'est clair.
Et j'ai installé aussi la télé avec l'écran, on peut la regarder depuis le lit et depuis le bureau aussi, plus l'imprimante. Bon, il y a la cuisine, il y a le meuble aussi. Je pense que là on est opérationnel. Tu vas être content, Engine, la prochaine fois que tu vas venir.
Nickel, super. Bon. Alors, on commence, l'enregistrement est en cours, c'est nickel. Donc, suite, on s'était vu lundi dernier. Maintenant, notre prochain point, c'est de faire un point sur les avancées et puis les suggestions, comme tu l'as suggéré, Gilbert, très bien pour le point du jour. Donc, au niveau du site internet, déjà, alors, encore merci Gilbert, on a reçu le virement pour le cloud, hein, pour tout ce qui est réseau et ainsi de suite. Donc, ça, c'est une bonne chose de fait. Maintenant, juste jeter un coup d'œil sur la page BNAC, tu sais, en attendant le 9 mars. Alors, Engine a commencé à faire la structure. Exactement, tu l'as envoyé ce matin. Engine a commencé à faire la structure. On va juste regarder la structure. Je vais essayer de partager mon écran. Alors, 2 secondes, je vous...
One by one, I'll make everything with the cloud and everything.
And again, thank you again for negotiating with Microsoft.
Désolé, excusez-moi.
That's an amazing contract you've been
Microsoft,
negotiating.
I deal with only OpenAI, not this one. And also, I'm stopping Microsoft. I'm going to shift over Llama.
Say that again.
OpenAI, I just use, not Microsoft. I don't use Microsoft product. Just OpenAI, I use Microsoft. And OpenAI framework I use. And model I use for the Olama Facebook product. Okay, because Gemini cannot run in a very small system because you need a AI studio to run this program. Actually, it's very complicated, Gemini, to run the system. But Gemini is you need a powerful machines. I don't have this kind of machines actually. And when I do this one, I make a cloud setup and do this one experiment, delete the machine, and after that I come back, because otherwise it is very chargeable. Because if you work 24 hours, it's free. If you work more than 24 hours, machine will charge you so much, because nowadays AI concept change actually. They convert in a vector database actually. Mean every language transfer in a digital format, mean 0-1 format to make a more specific answer. That's why no hallucination. And vector database is very, very expensive because it's a billion database actually. It's so much expensive. And it's quite complicated to maintain your database and this one. But NVIDIA made a new machine for this one actually. To do this one, it's a cheaper machines and powerful machines. NVIDIA.
We're very lucky to have you on board on the team. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay.
Next I'll buy this one machine. That's it.
Engine, I present just the page, the one page for BNAC. Alors, c'est juste la structure qui a été faite. Hein. Aujourd'hui, nous, maintenant, Gilbert, est-ce que tu nous as donné ce matin? On va pouvoir le mettre en place. Ce qu'on avait besoin comme info, je répète encore, Engine, comme ça, tu l'entends aussi. Donc, le logo BNA, voilà, c'est le nouveau logo, mais on met
Tu veux le dire en anglais, comme ça, Engine,
yes, in
il
English,
comprend.
okay. In this one page, we need BNAct logo. We make more bigger, maybe for making logo. After, good, but we don't put video inside. We can put a video link, but we put 3 audio about Gilbert Do It for what is BNAct.
We can make a audio podcasting also. I forget this one maybe.
Because we have,
but it's a running video. Screen actually.
Gilbert, we have these 3 small video audio for presenting BNAct.
You should have them. I'm more than happy to send them back to you again. That if you wish, I send it to you so you don't have to scroll all the way through it. I send it
it's
again
better actually.
Okay.
I'll download one by one. I'll make a podcast video.
I'll do that right away after our talk.
Okay. After, alors, here is a solution for
no, when you scroll, it will automatically come the fill up the form. Okay. After that close, they watch the video, they can click this one. Icon, I don't find a good icon. I just put icon. After that, I change the icon. Okay.
Okay. And for subscription of people who want to join Meeton. Alors, the sentence, we look again, hein, on regardera la phrase. Hein. Là, c'est Engine Do It, this one just for example. We do the best sentence for this one. Name, surname, email, telephone, and send. Okay. And we need account for before the 9 March. You know, it is the launching of the website.
That's a timing.
Timing.
Okay, I'll make a timing. We are coming soon at 9th March. We'll make a highlight this one. Okay.
We have link about social media.
I don't have link. I didn't put a link. I'll put a link. Okay. I just finish it. This one because
that's good. That's good.
I just make a playlist for me directly because one by one they can run the playlist.
Okay. It's just one page for before the 9 March for presenting BNAct with some different video. The other video is coming the next week. 3 more video is coming with video and not only picture, all audio and video. We have 3 audio for presenting BNAct. Gilbert, you send us
yes.
this 3 audio. And the possibility to join the community for the Meeton. Voilà.
And what about the countdown? Do you still want to plug it in, or you just want to erase it? What do you think? We don't need
countdown.
it.
Yeah, I make a countdown. I'll put this one countdown. Okay, I just prepared the countdown. Okay.
Okay.
Well, it's up to you. Either or.
Okay.
Yeah, I can put the countdown. No problem.
Okay. It's just this point. Okay, for this point. And then we finish this one for this weekend, huh? Normally.
Yeah.
I know. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Engine. That way, it's clean, and at least we've got something going on, and people will be looking at it, and they will be happy with it.
Exactly. Voilà.
And what about? Is it going to be in French? Or is it going to be in English written?
Whatever language you want. It's up to you.
The both, Gilbert.
Multiple language, English, French, Italian, Spanish. It's up to you.
What I'm thinking is we should, at one point or another, we should downsize the numbers of languages and stick it to both French and English. That way, of course, through YouTube videos, then I know YouTube has that capacity of showcasing the text in many different languages, and maybe we'll do this, but for the rest of it, we will probably stick only to English and French. So what I'm thinking of is, what about this one page for BA online page? is it possible to have like a button and to switch English to French, or shall we just stick to only one language?
It's possible. Yeah.
And just put the two flags at the right top. I wrote them down there on the top right corner, but maybe it was not very well written. So maybe just like a French flag, and well, we have to choose. Is it going to be a UK flag, or is it going to be a US flag?
US flag or UK flag, both speak English.
Well, I would say maybe US flag. Let's broaden instead of
it's more exactly.
Yeah, let's go for US flag. But it's a good thing that we can interact sometimes like this.
Yeah, exactly.
Those are details, and it goes much faster through video.
Okay. For the other point, for all structure about server engine, we can go immediately to parameter this one. About the deadline, everything is okay for 9 March for the website and community.
I'll finish between 25th of February, and after that we'll test together too, because authentication login, Google is logging it properly or not. You have to check and everything, like a calendar is working or not. I set up this one and it's okay, because we'll get a 7 days time if you this one, because framework we cannot change, but like rest of the functionality you have to test properly. Database is coming in CRM and not exactly. Okay, you can maintain it. Yeah, exactly.
That's good. Be sure, Attila, that
by 22nd or 21st I'll be finish everything. Okay.
We keep a margin. Like at least 1 week, just to be sure that if we want to post it on the 9th of March, it has definitely to be up and running and tested and everything at least 1 week, 10 days before that. So yeah, and 9th of March, that would be end of Feb. So engine, you're thinking of 25th of what? Feb will be all good and ready?
21st, I'll hand over to you. Send everything.
Of February. You're talking 25th of Feb, right? So that's good. We've got our 8 days, 9 days margin. That's good.
Exactly. We need the 10 days between 25 to 3 March, 4 or 5 March to make all different tests with you and Jan. This week we keep for making different tests, every functionality. Alors, we are okay. It's not the final version of the website. We are more improvement in the future for the website, but we keep this week for making all different tests.
Sounds good.
Okay. The retro planning, it's okay. For this one, it's okay. Whatever. About video, Gilbert. All video we put every week one video, or you want I put all video before, because we have 7-8 video now.
All right, so we talked a little bit last time with Lena. So remember, I hope everything is going to be fine, but as sometimes I've got my cycles and I sometimes go into depression, so it's best we published one video a week, so that way we've got several videos in advance, just in case I fall sick. That way you still can post things, even though I might not be able to interact through video. So
you're right.
When was last time you did post something? Was it last week or 2 weeks earlier already?
Last week. Last week is time to put a video.
So if you're happy with it, maybe this week we post another video and we keep doing it 1 week after another. And yes, you're right, we will have several videos already ready to be posted, but then we hold it and we've got our backup plan just in case anything happens. So that way we can still follow the 1 week, one video posted.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, for this one. And okay, for this one, Engine, about our community. we can start after when the website is effective with a committee link. Huh?
No, I already start a setup and everything. Just I need to connect the server setup and everything. Okay, because it will be staying everything in CRM. Okay, everything. If you want to show, I show you.
In 9 March, we have a CRM in the same time for BNX.
Yeah, everything will be there. CRM.
The CRM is very important, Gilbert, because we can catch and we can communicate with all people. We come all different social media, the website, messaging, and WhatsApp chatbot. We need this one for answering different questions when people go to the BNX website. You want to make one question: what is the next event? What is the actuality of BNX? We can to manage one chatbot to answer to clients.
Great.
Okay.
Do you see any other things that we need to talk about? Any topics? I think we pretty much covered all of it, because we've been working on Monday on the few things that we needed to interact with. So I think we're good.
The next point, we make a lot of focus about all social media with Lena, maybe.
Yeah,
is a good point. What is a strategy for each social media? And with you and Jan, we can say what is the best strategy for each social media between Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and we make clearly all strategy for each social media.
Yeah, that sounds good. So if I understand correctly, Lena is not always there. She's sometimes on and off. That's what's happening, right?
1 week by month. 1 week, because he's finishing his she make a doctorat, je crois, ou maîtrise, I don't know. It is the last year of only 4 months. In June is finished, but during this 4 months, 1 week by month, he go to the insect for finishing this one.
Wow. All right. So that's good.
If you have emergency or anything else, you know Lena, you can send message, she answer. This morning she sent me a message. You can communicate with her. Don't worry about this one.
Does she still do some things for Illicom in the meantime, or is she only doing things only once a week?
During this week, it's not available. Normally, it's not available. We try to don't make job for Illicom or for any client. But if you have emergency, like I say, okay, she can do it, or we can do.
So how do you plan this? Because if Lena until June is going to be working and available to be working only 1 week out of 4, how are we going to plan the rest of the 3 weeks? Are we just putting the marketing into parentheses for 3 weeks until each time Lena comes? Is it going to be working that way?
Oh, she managed all the work during these 3 weeks, and for this week when she's in INSEC, he planify all posts. Normally,
so it's 3 weeks Illicom and 1 week INSEC.
Exactly.
Oh, I understood the opposite way around.
No. Only 1 week in INSEC. No.
That's because possible. Otherwise,
no, it's not possible.
It was difficult to grasp. No. It's I mean 1 week. 1 week. That's more than doable. Yeah. All good.
Sure.
Don't worry, Gilbert. Actually, we are preparing. One thing actually, you can choose employee. It's a robotic employee. You can choose marketing, sales employee. You can choose after that. And
these agents, every agent has specialty.
Yeah, we are preparing with this one voice AI agent. Actually, they behalf of you everything, call and everything, and we are making a patterning behavior with depending on the client. Like last year working, it's like a co-founder, so many technology business, they are working for the co-founder. Okay, we are developing this one like a Y Combinator co-founder. We are putting a data and everything like this one. You see when you chat GPT, he works. Okay,
you're mentioning
I did a mistake and something, they like a human expression. Oh, sorry, I give a mistake. Okay, no, I express this one. And this is framework already came. Now you're working this one.
And for example, sorry, Gilbert, go.
What you're saying here is quite important, because that's the vision I have. It's like AI is going to interact more and more with co-workers and other people as well. I've been, since Attila, you mentioned ChatGPT. I think it was already 2 years ago, and you said, well, we've been playing around with ChatGPT and things. Since maybe 1 month and a half, I've been opening my ChatGPT account, and I started the paid version at, I think it's like around $20 per month. And honestly, it creates amazing things and answers to so many things and goes so fast. If you are able to just go step by step for process, it can create and achieve so amazing things. And I do feel that among the different BA projects, we'll be able to have ChatGPT interacting as well in it. So that's a good thing.
Yes. And Jan, it is possible in 3-4 months, when this different agent is ready, we can make, for example, Visio with us. For example, marketing strategy AI agent. It can discuss with us about in Visio, for example, and give us some strategy for social media.
Yeah. Okay, finish.
You mean interacting with AI at the same time as we are all working on Visio? That's what you're saying, Attila?
Yes, exactly. Like your people, it's very amazing. It's why, it's a new one for the moment. We don't talk. You are the first we talk with this one. And Jan preparing this kind of agent, and all this agent is always open in your PC. Say me if it's wrong, and Jan. And we can discuss. We want to discuss a marketing point with agent specialist on a marketing point. We discuss with us. He come with us in the Visio. We can discuss. For the mutant, for the developer, is amazing. We can have our agent, BNact agent. He know all BNact history, strategy, and goals, and he can discuss with different people.
Wow. Honestly, it's just mind-blowing. I love that.
Yeah. No, actually, it's LLM version, actually. See, I give you the one example, you understand. OpenAI, it's a huge database. Okay, like an intelligent database developed. But your business database is different. Business motive is different, not like OpenAI, because OpenAI challenged with a different one, and he is a globally. And if our motto is this one, OpenAI framework, means OpenAI trained the data model. And after this model, I put the data of the BNact or Elecom any other. They left side wings, left head wings, actually, they put our data. And the right head wings will be explore the data with what is going on related my kind of business. Like every podcast he will scan, every YouTube video he will scan, every blog he will scan, and he'll put, and then make a permutation and combination. They make you suggestive idea. Okay, you can go for the next level. Suppose in a sometime, when you go startup, you don't have money, you have to finish, you have to close everything. But this AI agent can stay last day with you, last try with you to different idea to do this marketing. That's why.
Wow.
It's like a co-founder.
Wow. It's mind-blowing. And how do you get to interact with them? It's like a special app that you just plug in, or is it?
No. It's see, it's called wrapping system. You all data. See, LLM is like a large language model. Actually, all database inside, and after that, AI agent is a trained with a OpenAI or a Gemini. This is a framework because OpenAI also using a Facebook data. Basically, major data is a Facebook data, Olama data. So then after that, he already concept understand what kind of question he understand. Okay, what kind of question, what is the prediction, he understand. He can study the model and he can say, okay, this is the profit and loss. If you go like this way, it will be happen next, it will be shut down. They can understand this one. Already data framework is there. And after that, you put your data, they will speak only about BN Act and BN Act related business. You understand what is going on and what kind of features you can add in your system. You can say not like a more human touch. Okay, mainly suppose if you say any employee, you can speak emotional, but there is no emotional. As a word, they will say like some emotional word. They will say like when you ask to Alexa, play joke for me, they give you the greetings. What human beings do actually, first greetings. Like when I speak to anyone, Attila, first they say bonjour, Visawa, Pia. If I say this one, it's a very common, and that expression will become automatically.
Wow.
They will care. That's it.
All right, good. I took notes. I followed that. Well, I think we're pretty much all set, right?
Yes.
Okay. So shall we just program for next week?
Yes.
Like same time, same day? Is that good for all of you?
Yes. 11, 20, 21st. No,
we're on the 16th, so that's 23rd, right?
Yes. Ouais, autant pour moi. Yeah, yes.
All right. All good for me.
11. Okay.
All right. Let's do that. Thank you very much for everything.
And Gilbert, maybe we show you this weekend this landing page of the Act. Okay. Okay, with modifications.
This week, landing and CRM system will complete. Basic CRM system will be complete. Everything backend and social. He can post. He can put a post directly from the social media from the CRM. He can make a planification directly.
And great news. And today we are having 2 developers coming from Sydney, and they are just amazingly gifted in English, and they will be able to reread and proofread all our posts and everything. So we're very blessed to have them on the team as well. So I'm very happy. They will be staying here in Europe with us for 1 month. KJ and Susie. All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Talk to you soon. And thank you very much for all your work.
Bye.
Bye.